Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today, this is my toy. It calls Unicorn, and this is ID's toy. Yeah.
Do unboxing.
Let's get started.
Who's gonna do first? Who's gonna unbox first?
Arya.
Arya. Okay, let's go. Focus to Arya. Move. Isaiah, move that for now. Okay, let's do focus on Arya. Let's see, can you open it, sweetie?
Yeah.
It's a rainbow corns. Talking jelly shake. Yes. Open.
Wait, in the top for me?
Yeah, I guess that's a cover, sweetie. Oh, this is a big. This is good for halo.
Can you open the
No,
top?
halo, Arya. Or put some big ice cream here. What's this for?
Look at the big ice cream.
Oh, I don't know how to open this. You need to open. Open.
I can do it.
It's a mystery. Wow.
Mom, look at that.
Okay.
Maybe we open the top with mommy.
So how are we gonna open this?
We open the top.
I guess this one.
Yeah.
Let me say. Oh, that's how it is. So,
Yeah, wait there.
Ta-da!
Oh my god!
Nice.
It's a big one! Mommy, it's a big one, Mommy!
Oh, wow.
It's a big one!
So this is something inside. I can feel it.
Wait, guys, feel it too?
Oh, it smells good too.
Oh my god.
Nice.
Okay, my turn.
Hold on. Let me finish Arya. Let me see Arya. What is that thing?
That's nothing. Why is it wet?
Ooh, what is that?
It's wet.
It's wet.
Why is there what?
Oh, let's see.
Whoa.
Oh yeah, it's wet. Why it's wet? Oh, you need to put battery on it.
See?
So we open this. Oh.
What? Where is it? Huh?
So
Ew.
it smells good, baby. Oh, look
Ew.
at this. Oh,
What?
that's the one inside.
Hiding?
So we
That's
just.
a leg. Is that the
Oh, we
leg
need to
now?
put battery on this, really. And this one should be where?
That's nothing.
Oh, this is the one you're going to put in here. Ah, see, I did it.
How?
Need to wipe it down.
How's the
Oh.
wet?
Oh, it's like a clip, hair clip, baby.
It's a hair clip, Mommy.
I know.
It's a hard hair
Look.
clip.
It's a big hair clip. Just kidding. I guess you just put in here. Oh. What else? What else?
Where's this? There's something is squishy. Yeah, Mommy.
Oh, yes.
Mommy, we
Got it.
maybe open it.
All right.
Mommy, maybe open the top first. Don't
Oh, this is accessories. Let's open it.
Where is it, Arya? it.
Can you see? You want me to open more?
I used to.
Oh, you're gonna make something. It's a bracelet. You can make a bracelet.
Why is it-
Accessories.
Can you put this Wait, no!
Let's see this
it's
one.
a this
Make sure
one.
you don't use those balls.
Look, Mommy.
I know. I loves those bracelets.
I have more? What's that?
Oh, with slime.
Slime?
Yeah, it comes with slime. You lost one of the beads, Suri.
Oh, it is a slime.
It's too sticky.
Where's my bean? My can?
Where is it? Okay.
Where's my
Is that's it? Okay, now
Oh, it's right
it's...
there. What? It's right there. Oh, see it. I find it.
There you go.
Oh, so
So let's
small.
go. Focus to IG. So IG's turn now.
Mommy, how I open this?
I help you.
This
Don't
okay?
worry.
I don't know, stop spinning now.
Okay, let's help IG.
Oh,
There you go. This is IG have the Sonic the Hedgehog 30th
I can do
anniversary.
how to take this out? Slime.
Yeah, it's a slime. You have free slime. You can make your bracelet, sweetie.
Ah.
IG,
Slime.
hold on, let me cut it.
Wait. What?
Let's cut this. Cut.
Not yet.
Oh, look at your Sonic's right there.
Put on a dress in the floor. Jelly. Hello, slime. Hello, Mommy.
Okay, let's see.
Opening.
Let's remove the plastic.
Look at that.
Okay, hold on, baby.
Look at this, Mommy. Jelly. It looks like jelly. Is any more?
Okay, Isaiah, have this one. Oh,
What?
that's great.
Blank?
Oh, too much.
What? Too much?
Yeah. Make sure I don't break anything, huh?
Wow! Whoa, look at that. That's for the arm. And that guy. Slime. Oh, I can put it on a table.
Why do you have so much?
Stop. That's my slime. Oh, yeah, you can just put it backward. Wait, you have to push it like. You need to hold it. You need to hold it.
All right.
Oh. Get away! It's stick on here. Look at this, Mommy. Look at this way.
There you go.
My slime is so small.
Get your son here.
You don't have to build it.
I guess you need to. It's right here. So we just need to build it first.
That was easy. It's only not the head because there's only a circle. Not. Oh my god. I put the where's my where's that for?
the legs wrongly.
Look at Sonic, Mommy.
There.
Oh, you just don't get for two.
Yeah, you can like go try.
Whoa.
One in here. This is always coming off.
I saw.
Sorry.
Oh, yeah, it did.
Huh? Did it right or no? Oh man, I'm gonna break this.
Wait, what happened?
I don't know how. Dang.
How's that not in front? That's supposed to.
Yeah. I put it wrongly. Hold on.
Oh no, it's break.
It's
Look,
gonna
Mommy,
break.
look at this.
Mommy, why IG picked that one?
I don't know. He's the one who picked this. So we're just gonna let's try the arm.
Oh.
Wow.
Oh,
Oh, it's gonna break. Once you hit this one, it's gonna break apart.
I don't.
Yeah, sorry baby, hold on. I will need to fix this.
This one's gonna break the part, Mommy. It's gonna break the.
Did it baby?
Wait, no, Mommy, need to press this button.
Press the button. Oh,
It's like this, Mommy.
uh-huh. Okay. Just need to put inside. Like this. There you go. There's IG thing. Then it's like a game, right? You just need to
Slide.
you need to
You
aim this one. You need to aim that one.
in that one.
Once you aim it, everything's gonna be
Gone?
fall apart.
Fall apart.
Go.
Let's try.
Try. Let's see.
Ah,
Oh, he
one more.
missed. He missed. No, Mommy.
Okay.
He did.
Huh?
Also that. Yeah.
Oh.
Oh,
One more time.
he almost.
Try again.
He almost hit this. Like he almost hit this.
Try it again.
I'm gonna make mine.
Try again.
There.
More try.
Why is it? Yes, that. Whoa. Ah.
Let me try. Let mommy try it. Look at it. I need to aim this, right?
Yeah, you have to aim it.
Give me.
Mommy, can you
Hold on.
help me
Oh.
with this? I need to hold. I need to do.
Alright,
My-
put them together
Can I do
first.
my bracelet? I need to do my bicep. Can you help me? I need help. Yeah, because you're too hard. Oh yeah, you have to do like that. Oh! How hard is it? Oh my
It's
gosh.
kind of hard, huh? For real.
Why is it?
Oh, I almost. You need to move closer.
Oh, you should make them move back.
Oh, I need it hard. I already hit it.
Yeah, but you didn't.
Oh,
Wait, what? How?
I don't know.
Oh, I think you need to.
Oh, like that. Let's see.
You missed
One
a
more time.
wrong, mommy, because
I don't know.
I saw a wedding. He
You
chose
need to hit it like this, really.
It's already broke.
It's timing.
Standing.
Oh, see? Told you. That's how it is. Then you gotta put them together.
Mommy.
No, that's the game, baby. That's how you do it.
That's how to.
Yeah, you need to aim this one like this.
Don't
You need
make
to.
it, don't make
There you
it
go.
loud. Use this towel
There you
to
go.
don't make it loud.
Okay. Then you need to put them together again. Put them
Use
together
that for
again.
towel for that.
Oh yeah, so it's not loud. Good job, Arya. So you need to put them together again. Put it like this.
Why you pissed it?
Here's your leg.
I did it for you. What's the
There you go, IG.
Oh, it can actually control too.
Yeah.
Can't wait.
Bless you.
Why not?
Okay.
Mommy, can you help? Wait, what's my thing? Can you help me with this? How'd you do this?
Hold on. There you go. Alright, go. It's your turn, IG.
Wait.
There you go. Make it hard. Push it hard, sweetie. There you go. One more. It's a challenge, right? Challenge, IG. Press it. You see. Oh, see? Oh,
There you go.
there you go. That's how it is.
I
You spend money for
got
that. And
a
this one,
string.
I used to make her
It's gooey, Arya.
bracelet for
How
Arya.
about we with Arya?
No. No switch it. I got one bracelet there.
Do you see this, Mommy? What's this, Mommy?
Mommy, when you
Mommy,
die.
what's this?
I don't know.
Mommy, what's this? That's cool,
You
Mommy.
do, every time you make the
Wait me.
bracelet, you do. Is that
This
a bracelet or a necklace?
No,
Can I
it's
show you what is it?
what? Is this a book?
Oh yeah, it's a bracelet.
Which one? See? This yeah, how to put this. Okay, it's so cute.
Okay, I'll teach you how to make it.
Like, why put two?
Yes.
So I gotta fit.
Yeah. It's not. So you know where is the middle, sweetie? So you have the middle one.
Like,
Then
you put the. I wanna put. You're gonna do the pink one separated. I'm gonna do the pink one. What's your favorite color, mommy? Black.
yep. Just make it
I
like
want to do it too.
purple and pink.
Mom, I want to do it,
This
Mommy.
pink.
I want to do it
Purple.
too.
Purple and pink.
Isaiah, this is for girls, sweetie.
I'll get the pink. I'm getting pink.
No, I want to help
No,
you.
you need. No, it's purple, pink, then peach.
Oh wait, is
first.
that peach?
Yeah, like a peach.
Oh,
more lighter.
I didn't know that. Oh yeah, you're gonna do the other side.
See, it's more darker. Then use this one.
Is there any more peach?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, there's more.
Okay. This one we need to put
Battery?
battery on this.
Put another, any pink.
I guess this is talking. Yeah, it says there it's talking.
Into, purple.
Well, they have battery on it, but it's not.
It's not, working. Oh. Well, oh no. Did you have, oh, wait. You have to switch it?
I don't know. Let's see. How How this work?
I think we need to put
Change the
another-
battery for this? Then why they put the battery?
I don't know.
You can pinch and
Where's my peach? No, where's this? Mommy, this is the same color as
okay.
peach.
Right here.
Uh,
Make sure they're both the same. If you only have 3, you put everything in there.
ah,
Do we still have the small battery, Kuya?
this is pink or peach.
Okay. Whatever. You just put it. Hopefully this is not broken, right? Hold on, let me check some batteries. Oh, come on. Fix your thing, Isaiah. This one we need to put inside and it's working now. Okay, hold on. Let me put this inside first. So you can press it. Alright.
It's butt.
It's in your butt. So it should be like straight. Hold on.
Straight.
Let me fix it.
Life looks like it's wet. Hey, this is spicy. I see you.
Alright. Here is the button. What did you have? Can you show what did you pick today? What toy did you get?
A unicorn.
Unicorn. Then let me see.
Sonic.
Oh, you have Sonic. And then go. Show them how it works.
Look at this.
Oh yeah, they have that
Wings.
too. Yeah, wings. Let me see. Press it, sweetie. And once you're done, just put it back in the thing, okay? How about your IG? It's collapsible.
Yeah, I can put it back.
Oh, it's okay. Just put it back. Look, Rogi, what did you get, Rogi?
Nothing.
Nothing. Okay, so they're gonna play now, guys. Can you say bye-bye to them?
Bye.
Bye.
Like, subscribe.